This video quickly puts you through on how to generate PowerPoint presentation files, all right, with slides using Copilot AI tool. Let's just get right into it. The first step you need to take is to launch a PowerPoint presentation application. So I'll click here and then select it here. So once it opens, you can prompt from here, but I want to open blank presentation first. So I'll click on this. Once you're landed here, you will see this Copilot icon here. All right, so click on it. Then prompt it on the type of presentation you want to create and tell it the number of files, the number of slides you want to have inside the presentation and the contents. So let me prompt mine. Look at what I have. I say create a presentation file containing 5 slides. Each slide containing one major information on how to become a successful content creator on YouTube. Color should be uniform and the overall project professional. All right, so you know what you want to talk about, you know what you want to create about, so prompt it that way, follow this format. After that, just click on send. So give it time to analyze the message, which is the prompt, then you proceed from there. You have to be patient, please. All right, Copilot is done with the analysis and it presents me with some options. It says reasoned in 3 steps. Which visual direction fits your YouTube creator deck? All right, then it gives me these options: YouTube, red and charcoal, bright, studio, minimal, and a lot of them. All right, so let me scroll down. You will see them here, but I'm not going to select any of these options. The reason is because if you select any, it will take more time to generate the slides for you. All right, which I don't want because I have practiced this before. So I will tell it skip all so that it will take its time to generate something faster. So I'll click on this. And here we are. It generated the 5 slides and added them automatically. That is the power of AI. All right, so you can see this one here. It says find your niche, which is point number 1. All right, pick specific topic and audience you can serve better. You can serve better than anyone else. A focused channel builds a loyal returning audience far faster than a general one. That is 1 of 10. You can see that here, 1 of 5, sorry. Then you click on the second one, you see what it says. It says post consistently. Then the third point, nail thumbnails and titles. So when you read, you know what it is trying to say. In that case, 4th one is engage your community. Then you read through. Then the 5th one is study your analytics. Very important, very excellent, and very beautiful. So AI is improving and is making things faster and easier for us. So for you to save this, just click on File tab, then select the Save As option, then select Browse. Choose where you want to save it to your PC. So here, let's go to the desktop. I'll click on that and I'll click on, let's give it a title. Let's say YouTube Success, okay? And after that, just click on Save and you're good. So I have now generated my presentation with AI. Everything automated. If this helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment. See you some other time.